Welcome back to school. Today we are going to start simultaneous equation, the graph method. Graph method. Simultaneous equations are two linear equations with two variables. X and Y are unknowns. A, B, C, D, E, F are numbers. Here you are an example. 2x minus y equals 1 and x minus 1 equals 1. How to solve simultaneous equations using the graph method. Choose the value of the x and calculate the value of the y in each equation. Draw both lines and the solution is the point where the two lines meet. First, we are going to learn how to plot points on a coordinate plane.
When you use a coordinate plane, a coordinate pair must be found. X is first written down, then the Y is written down. When you use a coordinate plane, a coordinate pair must be found. X-axis goes left, right now, the Y-axis is up and down.
The plural of axis is axes. The coordinate plane has 4 quadrants. In the first quadrant, x is positive and y is positive. In the second quadrant, x is negative, y is positive. In the third quadrant, x and y are negative. In the fourth quadrant, x is positive, y is negative. A is the point 3, 4, 3 units right along x-axis and 4 units up along y-axis from the origin. B is the point negative 3, 4, 3 units left along x-axis and 4 units up along y-axis from the origin. C is the point negative 3, negative 4, 3 units left along x-axis and 4 units down along y-axis from the origin. D is the point 3, negative 4, 3 units right along the x-axis and 5 units down along y-axis from the origin. Step 1. Choose the value of the x. Step 2. Calculate the value of the y. X equals 0. Put the value into the equation and calculate the value of the y. So, 2 times 0 minus y equals 1, negative y equals 1, y equals negative 1. X equals 1. 2 times 1 minus y equals 1. 2 minus y equals 1, y equals 2 minus 1, y equals 1. X equals negative 1. 2 times negative 1 minus y equals 1. Negative 2 minus y equals 1. Y equals negative 2 minus 1. Y equals negative 3. X equals 2. 2 times 2 minus y equals 1. So 4 minus y equals 1, and y equals 4 minus 1, so y equals 3. Step 3. Draw the line that represents it. The first point that we calculate is x equals 0, y negative 1. So, in the x-axis, we write the x0 and go down 1 unit for the y. Step 4. Repeat the steps 1, 2, and 3 with the second equation. We choose the value of the x and put the values into the second equation to calculate the value of the y. Now we plot the second equation on the coordinate plane. Step 5. The solution is the point where the two lines meet. Intersecting lines, one solution. Parallel lines, no solutions. Coincident lines, infinite solutions. Let's practice. Solve by the graph method and check your solution. Any questions?